Hey guys, Jaclyn St. James here with a holiday helpful tip. Start the day off right and make a delicious Christmas morning breakfast. Search for Christmas breakfasts recipes that suit the taste of your Christmas morning guests. Include Christmas breakfast recipes such as the Casserole. Complement the Christmas breakfast menu with a tall glass of orange juice, a beautiful fruit salad, a slice of toast with butter, and some home fries. Try this Christmas breakfast casserole recipe and please all those joining you on Christmas morning. For my Christmas breakfast casserole, you'll need 1 1/2 pounds of frozen hash browns, 1 pound of sausage, 3 eggs, 2 ounces of Velveeta cheese, 2 ounces of shredded cheddar, 1 can of cream of potato soup, and salt and pepper. What you're going to do is you're going to cook the hash browns and the onions together in a frying pan until crisp. Fry the sausage for the casserole as well. Mix the hash browns, onions, and sausage together and place them in a 13 by 9 inch pan. Add the Velveeta and the cheddar cheese, potato soup, beaten eggs, and salt and pepper. Bake the casserole at 350 degrees for around 45 minutes. Place the salt and pepper shakers on the table so guests can flavor the casserole to their taste. Here is a sample of my Christmas morning breakfast: grapefruit, casserole, potato cakes, muffin, and banana nut bread with my favorite, coffee and hot chocolate with cinnamon sticks. Also, incorporate additional Christmas breakfast items to complement Christmas breakfast casseroles such as homemade hot chocolate with whipped cream on top and sticky cinnamon buns. Be sure to keep dietary restrictions in mind when serving breakfast to guests. Have a wonderful Christmas morning with your loved ones, and remember, bon appetit!